right now. I'm at motherfucking goddamn racetrack.
What?
Get
a car. See, I was finna get in. I was finna get in before I said I was wrong.
Get back in the car.
Y'all said it was
I'm getting gas. I'm getting gas. Let me get gas real quick. Let me get my wallet.
Okay. Cause I feel very unappreciated.
Let me get gas real quick. Hold on, y'all. Woo woo. Very unappreciative. Y'all ain't seeing my pin code. Loud over here. Yes, receipt. Dang! I need my tripod because I can't do this at the same time. Give me gas. Y'all see me struggling? Come on!
Are you trying to blow us up with the car?
Huh?
Are you trying to blow us up with the car on?
With the what?
With the car on and pumping gas?
Oh, I can do that. As long as I don't turn the car on while I'm pumping gas, it's gonna blow up.
Okay. I just knew shit somewhere around.
If I turn the car off and turn it back on, we gonna blow up. We gonna boom, boom, boom. See how much. Struggling?
Nah, but it's okay.
Yeah, you wanna subscribe? Wanna subscribe, fucker?
What is it?
Fast Life of Bree.
What is it?
Just look it up right now. Right now. Right
I
now.
got gloves, bro.
Huh?
I got gloves.
That's okay. Subscribe right now. Be my supporter. Fast Life of Bree, all spaces. And BRE.
Fast life?
Yeah.
Fast life what?
Of Bree. Ooh. Yeah.
2 E's or 1 E?
1 E.
I got it.
Alright, you subscribe?
Yeah, that's great.
Okay. Alright, thanks.
Get the notifications.
And turn the notifications. And turn the post notifications on. Alright, thank you. Alright, y'all, I'm finna go inside the store and go to the goddamn bathroom. I'm about to go to the bathroom, y'all. Be back. Take this out of sports mode because I'm trying to save gas. Alright.
Hurry up, fucker.
Alright, fucker.
Y'all, she just don't know. We finna get her ass.
Oh, God.
We kept out the trunk all day. Finna make the board.
Let's see. Honk for good luck.
We put our license plate down there so we don't get pulled over.
Yeah. Look at his eye.
When you see the car, you need to honk.
We doing a prank.
On our friend. She ain't gonna see it because our car's so good.
Yep. She sure ain't gonna see it. She already done pumping gas, so it don't need. She's gotta get in the car. That was my fault.
Don't hit the car because the camera will Oh, you can't. You can't even see us. You need to back up just a little bit. Hold on, let me see. You in the way, you gotta put up. Yeah, we got
Yeah, she ain't gonna be on that side. She on the driver's side. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That goes side. Whoa, whoa. Y'all don't mind us. Y'all,
The freaks come out at night. Watch. The freaks come out at night. Yeah, buddy. Nice. What?
Dang. Why is it zoomed in? I'm like, dang, why is it zoomed in like that? Yes, sir. Please come out at night. What? $1. Don't do that. Y'all, how y'all like the racing videos though? Okay, so manual mode. Okay, I need to get that winding a little. How y'all like them races though, y'all? My little beep, look, get up.
Sitting outside the car, you probably got a quick whiff, but he don't know where it came from. Too many cars passing.
Yeah, when I see a cop, I go. I'm already going. Bro, my brother needs to text me back. He made me
I had
mad.
to raise the window or leave that. Shit.
Huh?
We'll be on forever.
You up. Fuck you honking at me, bitch.
Hey. Okay. Fucker.
The fucker. Why is everybody honking at me?
People weird.
Fuck FFO.
People weird.
My dog just caught another body night. Piping Xannies and caught that slipping at the cul-de-sac. Sliding on the house playing toe tag. Just said, baby, I was just
Whoa! What? What the freak is wrong with people, bro?
Oh God.
I'm not gonna get walked.
That ain't no marauder.
Oh God.
That's a want
visionary.
Stupid.
Bitch. What fucker?
Who honked at me? You truck right here. What do you want, fucker?
Les. Yeah, why does the lizard have a leash though?
What? Oh, that ugly pink big lizard?
My sister holding the lizard, but the bitch got a leash on me. I'm dead.
Why the fuck people keep honking at me?
That whole hot? We wasn't doing what? We're vlogging. Oh, okay.
The line ain't moving no time soon. What the fuck y'all do?
Nothing. For what?
People honking at my shit, bro. And you laughing like something funny.
And all these hoes laughing like something funny.
Why y'all got me fucked up.
Hey, put this in the trunk.
Y'all got me fucked up.
What we doing?
Put what in the fucking trunk?
Put my purse in the trunk.
People keep honking at me like something funny. You scared to be on camera? You always be on Snapchat on camera?
What the fucking filters?
Give me your damn purse. It's the same thing. What is this?
What?
What is this on the back of my car? What the f is this? Y'all got me up. Anybody else want to honk? Anybody else? Anybody else? What? Fuck. Take this goddamn bull crap off my...
Don't take it off!
Why? Bro, people gonna be honking at me all night. I can't open the trunk. She put that on my car. Hey, stupid. My camera battery finna die. What? And then you put one on this? I can't do nothing without y'all doing something. Let me get back in the car. We at McDonald's, y'all. I was laughing like...
I sat here that long for you to be out the car, around the car, right in the car.
Y'all.
No face, no case. Cause I ain't do nothing.
Y'all.
I ain't even right.
Be sure to click that thumbs up button. So like, comment, share, subscribe, all that. Link in the description for my social media. Hit me up. Yep.
Team Lawrence.NK.
And you got fuckers in the back seat. Y'all can't really see them.
Oh yeah, we a little.
Little fuckers. All right, fuckers.